Exciting opportunity to own waterfront on one of Birch Bay Village's lakes. One-level home on appx. 0.24-acre level lot. This home has deferred maintenance, but it has so much to offer the right buyer. High ceilings, light and open floor plan and plenty of storage. Double garage with plenty of room for extra parking. Kitchen and living areas open to large patio that overlooks the lake with beautiful sunsets. Bring your imagination and a paintbrush and make this home your vision. Birch Bay Village has 24-hour gated security, clubhouse, dog park, pickleball, tennis, golf course and marina west/new floats by 2024, community access to beachfront parks. Hurry!